My name is Kelsey Jones, and I chose my topic to be on water on Earth from section 18.1. I decided to choose this because I have had a huge fascination about water. Ever since I can remember, I've just always been really interested into it, and it's something that has really fascinated me. It's so crazy to me how much of our surface of our Earth is covered in water. About 70% of our Earth is covered in water, which to me is insane, and that's such a big amount. I mean, it's more than half. Half the surface is water. It's covered in water. So I don't know if you knew or not, but over 90% of our Earth's water is stored in the oceans. About 2/3 of the Earth's freshwater supply is actually locked in ice caps and glaciers. So fresh water is what we are able to drink and what agriculture needs to survive. And in our oceans, we aren't able to use our ocean water, so we get fresh water from evaporation of water from the ocean. It's a very important part of replenishing the process, which is very interesting to me. I didn't really think about that before, and how important evaporation is for our fresh water. The cycle of evaporation goes with evaporation, precipitation, and then return of the water to the ocean, and this is called the hydrologic cycle. Freshwater is something that it's the basic source of fresh water is precipitation, and water as it moves across the surface is called runoff, and then which is then collected into small bodies of running water, which we call streams. And the water that soaks into the ground and moves towards the saturated zone is called groundwater. The groundwater can move through sediments of rocks and under the surface. The space between the zone of the saturated and the zone of above, so you have saturated and the zone above, is called the water table, and this is right in between those two. And we rely very, very much on precipitation for our fresh water. I didn't realize how big of an issue it is, and I knew how important it was. I just didn't realize how much of a big topic this is between people, and how people aren't able to actually really focus on, like, one person gets this amount of water, one person gets this amount of water. It's this big, huge thing. And how people are claiming it, how you have agriculture that says that they need to claim this water, and then you have cities that are claiming this water, and then there's groups that just think that nobody should claim this water. It's definitely a topic that I think is still not figured out, and will take the time to be able to figure out. It'll take lots of time, but it's something that I don't think anybody ever really is going to be able to figure out for a while, but yeah, it was a really interesting topic.